Motrolics.
So this is the fully refreshed 2024 Ford F-150, and one of the distinct highlights of this truck is the new Pro Access Tailgate that you see right here. So this tailgate can be opened like a traditional tailgate, which I can do by pressing this button right here, and it comes down. So that's normal tailgate operation right there. But then if I wind it back up and I press the button right here, what it will do is it will swing open this panel right here. This swings open 100 degrees. There it is. And it essentially allows me to walk up to this truck, and this makes loading things into the truck a lot easier. Also makes unloading things quite a bit easier as well. One of the things that comes with this change is the removal of the integrated step. So there is no more step in this particular tailgate that comes out and folds out into a step ladder of sorts. Instead, what Ford has done is they have given us this step right here. So if I put my foot right here and not necessarily press down, I kind of have to move it this way because it extends this way. But if I do that, I get this step. I can grab onto this and climb up into the actual bed of the F-150. To move it away, like so, and that's all done. You can also see how this looks from the rear. So you do have these cut lines now, essentially about 20-25% into the tailgate on either side, and that's how you can identify whether or not an F-150 has this tailgate. Now, for those who are not necessarily fans of this kind of tailgate, don't worry, you can still get the regular tailgate as well. This one is an option. For Motrolics.com and FordAuthority.com, I'm Alex Luft. Over and out.
Motrolics.